Hi everyone, we're going to make some easy flip-flops. These are great for wearing around the house, at hotel rooms, or just waiting for your nail polish to dry. You won't believe how simple it is. You'll need just a 12 by 18 piece of craft foam to make one pair of flip-flops. You can get these at your local craft store. You can make quite a few pairs of flip-flops with just one pack of craft foam. To get the perfect fit, trace around your foot. Leave about 1 inch around the outside of your foot. You can trim this down later to make it a better fit. Cut out the shape that you traced. To make a perfect pair, rather than tracing your foot again, now just trace your cutout shape and do the mirror image of it. So you'll have the shape for the left foot and the right foot. Now we have the shape for each foot. Next, take your foam and fold it exactly in half. Press down to make a mark so that we can tell where the half point is. Do this for both of your pieces of foam. Draw a rainbow or crescent shape on the center mark about 1 inch from the edge of the foam. Do this on both sides right at the center mark and draw a line extending it all the way around the bottom half of your foam shape, making a 1 inch border. Now we're going to cut along the line that we just drew. Flip upwards, and now you'll see why we did that cut. It's turning into a flip-flop shape. Since this will be the right foot, estimate about 1/3 in from the left side of the flip-flop and make a fold. This is where you're going to have your partition for your big toe. Now staple where you made the mark for the partition for the big toe. I like to staple with the flat side on the bottom of the shoe. Staple twice for extra security. You can also stitch at this point, but I find stapling to be easier. However, stitching is probably more secure. Now repeat the same steps for the left flip-flop. Make a pinch where you stapled so that you create some space for when you slip your feet in. Now it's time to try them on. A perfect fit, just like Cinderella. All done. Wasn't that incredibly easy? Look at these little twinkle toes. Of course, these aren't for durable, rugged wear, but they're a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to keep icky stuff off your feet, to wear at hotels or around the house, and to keep your nail polish dry. Now, if you want to make them look luxurious and fancy, you can also doll them up with some fuzzy trim or some sequins. Look at these plush, lush slippers. And here's another pair that I made. I hope you've enjoyed this video and try making a pair for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more fun ideas. Thanks. Bye.